What's up, everybody? It's your boy Alex. We're on the boat. We're going, I don't know where we're going. Interesting to know. 5.3K quality on the GoPro Hero 11 Black. It's very rocky. My hand's going everywhere, but I'm guessing this is gonna be so stabilized, I won't have to worry about it. Whoa. That's Dad.
Hey there.
There's Mom, and there's Trisha. We're all on the boat together. We're enjoying ourselves. We really are. I don't know what to expect, but you know what? It's definitely happening.
What? What?
I have the foam grip on, the floaty pull on. I'm gonna put it on my wrist. Nice and secure.
No, I'll wait. I'll wait till we stop.
We might be going to Chicken Rock. Are we going to Chicken Rock?
I don't know where you get that far, but it's a really rough ride all the way up. Long ride, and it's a very rough ride up there.
Okay, never mind.
Oh no.
We might not go to Chicken Rock. Never mind, guys. My bad. Whoa. Whoa. This is really cool, guys. Being on the lake, 5.3K quality. Today is Labor Day, and we're celebrating it on the water. Oh, wow. We're celebrating it on the water. Tomorrow we have school, and tomorrow I start working. Okay. Yeah, I don't know where we're going. It'd be nice to know, but I have no clue where we're going. Like I said, 5.3K quality on the GoPro Hero 11 Black. I don't know if you can even hear me. If you can hear me over the engine, that's nice. But 5.3K quality. And guess what, guys? Is going to be some great footage. We might be going in the water just to spice things up. You never know. I don't know. I might go in the water with you. With you guys. Beautiful day outside. Beautiful day outside. That's fun. We're having a blast. We just ate Lakeview Deli, and it's really fun. That was really good food. We have our bag here of chips and garbage. I did not eat my chips yet because I was not hungry for them. I ate my sandwich, and now I'm satisfied. Plus a Coke. I had a Coke, which I don't like Coke. Pepsi fan right here. Pepsi fan right here. I'm a big Pepsi fan. So, hard to tell the difference between the two. But you know what? I will never be able to differentiate between the two. I know what the secret is, but I still won't be able to tell them apart. I really can't. It's really sad. Anyway, guys, part 2, I'll be in the water, I think. Peace.